This is a compact, lightweight, and portable car vacuum cleaner for easy yet deep vehicle cleaning. The 106W 8.8 amps motor and metal turbine and ergonomic design ensures strong suction power to clear tiny, hidden dust particles. ThisWorx is on a mission to deliver the most efficient car vacuum. Its TWC-01 has been the first choice of car owners for many years. It comes with 16-feet cord that is plugged into your car's 12V outlet. Attach one of its 3 free nozzles and start cleaning your vehicle. The cleaning work will finish within a few minutes, and you will get a perfectly clean car for a safe and comforting drive. Ease of use. Users call it the best vacuum for car detailing because it is super easy to use. Although it's a corded vacuum, you can connect it to the power outlet and start using within 1 or 2 minutes. It comes with a long and durable cord that allows you to reach the furthest corners inside the car. Suction power. Being equipped with a 106W and 8.8 amps motor and metal turbine, this vacuum got exceptional suction power. It removes all kinds of contaminants to make your car clean and germ-free. Maneuverability. Although it is not as maneuverable as cordless vacuums, you won't find it a big issue. You can easily twist and fold the cord to clean the intended areas inside your car. Value for money. It is one of the most cost-effective car vacuums. ThisWorx is offering a limited lifetime warranty on this product. Buyers chose this product for its exceptional performance. It will make car cleaning pretty handy for many years. Therefore, it's the best car vacuum. Overview. You can buy ThisWorx TWC-01 car vacuum at quite an affordable price if you place the order. It's the best among the finest car vacuum cleaners. Therefore, it should be in your garage and car to keep it clean and impressive from inside. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.